if you are looking a property in your Clark, so tara puntahan natin yung mga property na malapit dito at just watch our vlog para mapuntahan natin yung mga property na malapit dito sa Clark International Airport. The site tour going to the property near Clark. So ito yung railway Clark station natin. So ongoing na siya. And i-connect po yan going to the bus terminal area. So yan po yung magiging Clark station. And ano po yung mga development dito sa Clark na ongoing. So magkakaroon dito ng Aviation Academy and food hub and stadium magkakaroon din dito and future mall. So talagang i-develop talaga itong Clark area or the main location tong Clark International Airport. And ano pa yung mga nandito? So we have a leisure inside the Clark like Aqua Planet. So andito po sa loob ng Clark sila Aqua Planet. And ang kagandahan dito nagkaroon na po ng additional airlines like sila Cebu Pacific, lahat ng turboprop nila. So andito na sa area, even though the Philippine Airlines mayroon na rin po tayo mga flights this coming April. So yun po yung start ng mga flights nila. Kaya talagang makikita mo na yung development dito sa Pampanga or Clark area is masisilayan natin yung paglago ng ekonomiya. So going out na tayo, andito na tayo sa Clark proper. Medyo makulimlim lang yung travel natin. And ang first segment or yung dadaanan natin na mga properties is along Mabalacat Magalang Road. Kung gaano ka-accessible itong location ng Clark sa mga property na to. So isang lang to, parang isang way lang yung madadaanan natin. So malawak pa tong development na to, pero maybe 5 years, 10 years from now, so iba na yung itsura ng development dito sa Clark Airport property area na. Dito hindi natin makikita yung elevation nung Clark Railway dahil naka siya underground yung magiging route niya. And dito na tayo sa may Clark Rotonda. So ito na yung Rotonda if you want going to NLEX. Meron po tayong access dito from my left side, but dito tayo Magmabalacat Gate tayo. Ito yung access natin going out sa mga property nearest. So this is kung tawagin natin to is Mabalacat Gate. So mas malapit na tayo sa airport. Before kasi yung old airport natin, mas malapit siya sa Clark Global City, which is the main gate kung tawagin natin yung naman doon. And mas malapit sa SM Clark. Ngayon, ang travel natin from the SM Clark, from this gate is nasa 10 minutes. And ito na yung ano natin, depot or yung north to south commuter railway. Magiging ano nila yan, dyan po yung magiging terminal ng lahat ng tren. So another ano yan, infrastructure na magbibigay ng that is another infrastructure development dito sa loob ng Clark. Tayo sa may access area. So, may rotonda dito. Ito yung area going to SM Clark from my right side. So yan po yung magiging going to SM Clark. So sa right side ko. But we are going to the property. Mostly kasi na ng mga property na na-develop ngayon is dito sa location na to. I will discuss also kung ano po yung mga property good for investment, for living, or both na parehas na pwede natin gawin living dahil yun nga malapit tayo sa ano. So, another access, yan po yung extension natin going to Tarlac, but dahil along Mabalacat at Magalang Road yung pupuntahan natin, dito tayo mag-access. Meron lang pong konting traffic dito dahil nasa intersection tayo. So, dito na area. Dadaan tayo ng Mabalacat Market. So, ito yung area na nagkakaroon ng traffic congestion. But LGU have a plan. So nagkaroon ng widening dito sa may intersection area. Possible magkaroon dito ng footbridge in the future. So yun po yung pinaghahanda nila para at least ma-ace yung congestion dito sa area na to, dito sa mismong Palengke area. Pero may mga access. So, itong area na to, if you are commute going to Clark, yung mga yellow na jeep, that one is ano siya, route number 6. Sila po yung umiikot sa loob ng Clark. So, dito na tayo. So, if you are going straight, madadaanan natin yung NLEX going to Manila. Kaya pagka hindi rush hour or something na ano, ang magandang pag-exitan nyo na is Santa Ines exit going to the Clark Airport. Very accessible siya kung galing kayo south or kung galing kayo ng mga property along Mabalacat Magalang Road. So itong way natin, diretso lang tayo dito, wala na tayong lilikuhan na iba, which is ito na po yung mga property, ilang property na ang madadaan natin dito, like sila Telenbest, Symphony Homes, SMDC Projects, Mana Homes, Highway Haciendas, and Pagsibol Village. So, yun po yung mga pupuntahan natin. Dadaanan natin tong vlog na to. So, this is an intersection. dito po malamang madalas nagkakaroon ng congestion, lalo ganitong peak hours, uwian ng mga workers from Clark. Almost the transporter kasi dito or nagwo-work is sa Clark kasi yun po yung pinaka accessible, malapit na trabaho. And okay, may nakapagtanong sa akin about the war in Iran or in the Middle East, kung may epekto ba ito sa Philippine real estate. Okay, my observation and insights about that is yes, meron po siyang epekto pagdating sa ating real estate, not only in the real estate, even the economy nationwide. So in terms of the real estate, ang magiging side effect nito is because of the construction materials, tataas yan kasi number one na naging affected sa atin is yung mga langis, which is alam naman natin more on our transportation or our source of na nagsusupply sa atin ng mga langis ay coming from the Middle East, almost 98%. And that case, yun po yung magiging epekto niya once na nag-stop, lalo ngayon yung price ng gasolina natin almost every 2 to 3 days increasing yung gas natin. So as of now, naglalaro na sa 80 to 100 yung mga gas natin. So ito nga si Petron, I think si Petron na yung pinakamura, nasa 78 yung unleaded. And ang magiging epekto nun, dahil sa tataas lahat ng bilihin, from the transportations, construction materials, even our property will be increased. So ito naman na yung area natin going to Symphony Homes. So mayroon po siyang ginawang access dyan from the NLEX Santa Ynez exit. So diretso na lang siya, accessible siya going to the Symphony Homes. So I have a vlog kung paano pumunta dyan. So just comment Symphony Homes para maibigay ko po yung link going site location ng Symphony Homes. So yan po yung una natin na property coming from Clark Airport. So, about insights of the Symphony Homes, for me is good for living, and the same time is for investment. Kasi ang ganda niya actually gawing Airbnb dahil yung access niya going to the Clark Airport, siya yung pinakamalapit. And even pag may mga event inside the Clark, maghahanap yung mga tao or mga pupunta ng event na malapit sa Clark. So yun po yung insights ko pagdating kay Symphony Homes. So dito, itong along Mabalacat Magalang Road, I call it also the industrial road kasi from here may mga manufacturing na dito sa location natin. So sila Meat Burger Production, Leslie Philippines. So andito po sa location natin. And dito naman na tayo kay second stop natin. Ito na po tayo kay Philinvest Claremont. want to learn more about the details of this property, just comment PLN Best and I will send the full tour video vlog of this property. Yun po yung ang insights naman natin kay PLN Best Claremont is for living. Bakit ko sinabing maganda siyang tirahan? Because the community is sobrang tahimik. And yun, meron tayong lot only doon. Lot only house and lot, the Opal, single attached. And it's affordable dahil sa location niya. On that price is affordable siya dahil malapit siya sa NLEX, 3 minutes drive only and 10 minutes drive going to the Clark. Then our next property na madadaanan dito is itong si Cheerful Homes or the SMDC project. So yan po, Cheerful Homes yung name ng project. So may insights naman about that Cheerful Homes is RFO na po sila. Ang kagandahan sa kanya is good for investment, Airbnb, rentals, dahil malapit siya, actually nakatutok siya dito sa economic zone, which is the Tico Industrial Park. So dito sa Tico Industrial Park, marami na po yung mga companies na nandito. Kaya pagka mga peak hours, labasan po, medyo nagkakaroon ng congestion, traffic dito sa area because ilang company po yung nandyan, like sila paper company and other companies like Semicon, even though yung mga bago, actually hindi pa nag-full operation yung mga bagong investors inside dahil may mga paggawaan dyan ng fiber cement, yung mga silicon and other manufacturing inside. Even Gardenia is nandyan din po sa loob. Kaya ang ganda ni SMDC Cheerful Homes, lalo't ngayon RFO na po yung mga unit natin doon. Kikita na po agad. Dahil bare type turnover yon, kailangan lang muna natin siyang ayusin. And once na naayos na natin, ready for occupancy na sila, start na po yung magiging rental business natin. Yun po yung kagandahan kay SMDC Cheerful Homes pagdating sa investment. And pwede natin siyang gawing Airbnb or anything. And dito naman another manufacturing, so inside the DOST. So dito may DOST dyan sa natin, dating kasi ito at Technical Research Center, pero before that naging pa yan during the Mount Pinatubo eruption, naging evacuation center yan. So we are very safe here dahil yun nga, kahit na nagkaroon ng eruption si Mount Pinatubo, dito po yung naging resettlement area or evacuation area ng mga karamihang napektuhan dito sa Pampanga, Interlac. So, yun po yung natin. And itong nilalakbay natin from my left side, mostly yan is economic zone. If you are an investor looking for good location na kailangan mo mag-invest near Clark and near the economic business facility, so itong along Mabalacat Magalang Road. And this is another for living, itong Hamana Homes. So Hamana Homes is a small community, nasa lang to, 15 hectares community. So maliit lang siya, and the population or the houses inside the units is nasa 800 plus lang. my insights pagdating kay Hamana Homes is for retirement home, lalo yung mga OFW na natin, na client natin. They want to live at Hamana Home kasi iba yung vibes niya. Once na nasa inside ka, mapipil mo yung community dahil tahimik, then peaceful, and yan nga, marami siyang pwedeng hindi ka na lumabas dahil within your community we have the linear park, swimming pool, so may mga leisure ka na pwedeng pagtambayan din doon, mga parks sa loob ng property. So yun po yung insights ko in terms kay Hamana Homes. Then we have ito, Highview Haciendas. So Highview Haciendas naman is good for retirement kasi mostly ang mga bahay natin dito is bungalow house. Ang bahay natin kay Highview Haciendas, and karamihan, mostly of our data at Highview Haciendas is OFW. So OFW po yung mga mostly at saka mga start home buyer, kumbaga dahil maliit lang po yung space natin, nasa 77 square meter to 82 square meter lot area, and the floor area of Highview Haciendas is nasa lang siya, 32 square meter. But this is a quiet subdivision na maganda talagang for retirement ng mga OFW client natin. After the hard work abroad, meron silang pag-i-extensya sa Pilipinas. And this last one is the Pagsibol Village. So itong Pagsibol Village naman is open for mostly mga worker na under pag-ibig na gusto nilang magkabahay near Clark, dahil ang dito is lang talaga siya, no down payment, no equity, so hassle free siya in terms of the payment terms, dahil once na nagbigay ka ng nag-reserve or nag-cash out ka ng 10,000 pesos only, yun na po yung gagamitin natin for the process ng pag-ibig, ng water, and the electricity. So andun na po sa 10,000 na yun, kasama na po yun. And mostly dito talaga ang kumukuha na buyers natin dito is yung mga workers natin sa economic zone, sa Tico Industrial Park, and near Clark. Kasi duplex yung natin dito, unit natin. Medyo may papasukan lang tayo na barangay. I think nasa 800 meters away from the Mabalacat Magalang Road. So dito may mga naman dito, resort na pwede nating puntahan. For example, if you have a family event, and dito na po yung access natin for the Pagsibol Village. So ito na po yung last property na offer ko from Clark to Pagsibol Village. this is our end of our tour of Clark to Balacat Magalang Road. And baka may mga nagustuhan kayo sa property na nadaan natin, just comment the name of the property and I will give the full tour videos of each property, or call me at my number 0966-87777-435. So I will give the property insight. So ano ba yung maganda sa kanya, if this is for investment or for your home living, para at least mag-guide po namin kayo sa pag-purchase nyo po ng property here at Pampanga. So, by the way, I'm Engineer Welbis Peras, your Pampanga property guide, and see you at your new home here at Pampanga. We'll check the service. So, dito tayo ngayon sa Clark. So, let's do the tour kung ano yung meron dito sa Clark. So we have the bus terminal, the Genesis. So ito, biyaheng Trinoma, Manila. Actually, nag-launch na rin sila ng Clark to PITX. And yung Clark to PITX, dadaan po yun ng NAIA. So Clark Airport to NAIA International Airport and going to the PITX. Then meron din tayo dito mga Dau going to Olongapo. And ito, may mga fast food na dito sa area. So hindi tayo magugutom pagka ano. So we'll check about the arrival naman. So ito yung entrance natin going to the arrival area. Ito na po yung kabuuan, or so mag-i-expand pa actually dahil approved na po yung ano dito, magiging food hub, aviation hub, and other development. And dito rin po sa Clark, yung magiging first station natin for the north to south commuter railway. Okay, so dito we have a Grab, so you can easily book your trip from Clark International Airport to your destination outside the Clark Airport. And this is our international arrival area. And we have another booking system here, the Express. So, dalawa po yung magiging options natin if you want the convenience pagdating sa taxi. So, we have the Express. So, that is how you want to breathe a ride. So, yan po. May mga airport tayo dito, airport taxi, open taxi. Yan po yung mga ano natin. Pwede nating sakyan. So, mamimili na tayo. Also a blue taxi. We have also a blue taxi here. And this is our domestic arrival area. So sa mga ano natin. So dito tayo inside the departure area. on my background, ito yung magiging first station natin ng Clark Railway. So, ito yung North to South Commuter Railway. Ito po yung magiging first station natin. Yung Clark Station kung tawagin natin. If you are looking at property near Clark, just contact us at our number 0966-8777-435. And don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel.